Around 100 elephants are being relocated from Wee National Reserve to restore ecological balance as their population has surged from 50 to 156, straining the ecosystem. In this major relocation effort so far, 44 out of 50 planned elephants have been moved to Aberdare National Park, marking Kenya's largest operation of this kind. Tourism Minister Rebecca Miano praised the effort, which involved over 100 specialists using trucks, aircraft, and helicopters to guide the elephants. The relocation also aims to ease human-wildlife conflicts in the region.